Alright, welcome to the C++ exercise 3. The problem is, write a program that computes the number of miles you can drive a car, given the estimated number of miles per gallon and the number of gallons of gas you purchased as input data. Also compute and display the cost of the gasoline based on the cost per gallon. So we're going to start this just like a normal program, and I recommend that you try it yourself. If you figure stuff out yourself instead of watching this, you'll probably learn it a lot better. So we're going to start it as a normal program, just including the input-output stream, the using namespace, and just the main. Okay, so I'm going to separate the variables into two categories. The output, what's our output going to be? Write a program that computes the number of miles you can drive a car. So you could say like miles drivable, I don't know. And then it says at the bottom, also compute and display the cost of gasoline based on the cost per gallon. So we could say like total cost. And then our input is going to be, let's see, given the estimated miles per gallon, the gallons in your tank, right, and the cost of gas. Okay, and so all we're gonna do now is just get the input variables and then do the assignment statement. So this one is still not very hard, but I'll get there. Okay, enter your average miles per gallon. Okay, now enter the number of gallons in your tank. Returns. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. And then enter the average cost per gallon of gas. Cost of gas. Okay. Okay, let me move it down a little bit more. Okay, the first input we're gonna do, we're just gonna do miles drivable, right? I'm just doing them in order, it doesn't really matter. So what is the miles drivable? Well, we got the input data, we got the miles per gallon, the gallons in the tank, and the cost of gas. Well, the cost of gas seems pretty irrelevant for the miles drivable, but the miles per gallon and the gallons in the tank seem relevant. So the miles drivable is just the miles per gallon multiplied by the gallons in the tank, right? In tank. Okay. And the other one is the total cost. So how much is this going to cost us? How much does it cost? And so we're going to take the gallons in the tank, obviously that's relevant, multiplied by the cost of gas, right? Because that's how you figured it out. Okay. Okay, and now all we're going to do is output it. You can phrase it however you'd like. You are able to drive, miles drivable. I'll just move it over a little bit. Make miles, right? I'll just do the line returns down here so it doesn't get spaced out too much. Okay. And then the last one, let's move it down a bit more again. Where's the last one? The total cost will be total cost. Okay, and then we got the system pause because I'm using dev and I have to do that. And then your standard return 0, and that's it. Now we're gonna run it. What did I do wrong? Oh, wow, okay. No, I don't want to highlight the whole thing. Oh, wow, okay, the thing shrunk. Okay, enter your average miles per gallon, let's say it's 30. Enter the number, I can't fix it now, enter the number of gallons in your tank. We'll say 10, and then move it back over. Enter the average cost per gallon of gas, we'll say 150. Okay. You will be able to drive, see if we can put it all on the screen. You'll be able to drive 300 miles, the total cost will be $15.